it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a sturdy, modern, and elegant coffee table? This one by Boesat is incredible. This tempered brown glass coffee table has been so fun for my family to play games on, put our drinks on, and it's big enough for all of us to gather around and utilize our living space. I like this two-tier as well. We're able to utilize both of those. If we wanted to decorate, we could, or it's great for books and treats and decoration, what have you. I absolutely like that this tempered glass is wonderful for everyday use. It's wear resistant, anti-cracking. You could even put your laptop on it and do some work. So if you're looking for something that is solid, well, this does feel so solid. There's no wobbliness here. I really like how I feel like I'm going to have this for a very long time. The wood color with this brown tempered glass and this black solid frame is so pretty together, and I feel like it'd tie in all styles. These rounded edges make it very nice when I walk by this table, and it makes it a little bit nicer if I accidentally bump into the table. This came with everything and had no scratches. It was packed so well, and it was a really enjoyable experience putting it together. It was very easy, not complicated. I appreciated the quality of this, and now that we have it, it's something that I'm looking forward to enjoying for a very long time. It is beautiful and has been a great addition.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.